Hello guys, here we have a Motorola E6S, and today I will show you how you can scan your body temperature by the application on this device. So we have to open this app and click skip. Now we have to wait a second and close the ad. Now go to the simulation section, turn off the switchers and just hold your finger here. Close the ad again. And how you can see, this is my result. If you want to save it, click here and click save. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.